Right, here we are. I've no long cleaned out this loft, so I've yet to put in some shavings in it. But there's my birds. They're all looking good. They're all looking good. Let's see, look at this. As I say, I've no long just cleaned them all out. There they are. There they are. Hey! Come on, guys. Eh? See, there's a wee baby there. Come on. Come on. Da, 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 da. Come on in. Come on in. You can see there's two on the bottom of this too. Eggs. Oh, what's going on here? What's what I've just found here? Look, I'll just leave her with that. Aye. Come on, it's a good idea actually. I thought she laid another egg, but no, come on, that's the same egg. Because what that helps to do is to stop the pigeon's legs for the baby's legs for being splay fitted in the nest, you know. So it helps to balance it out in the nest, and you'll not get that problem. You know. Come on in. Yeah, what's in here? Look at that, 2 wee crackers, eh? Come on, eh? Come on in. Hello there. Come on, son. Where have you got, eh? Where have you got, eh? Where have you got, eh? 2 eggs, eh? There you go. Look at that lovely grizzle cock sitting there. Eh? Cracker, isn't he? Yeah, let's have another look. Hey, here we go. Here we go. There's a lovely wee hen here. Come on, darling, what you on? The babies, eh? Yeah. And a little bit long for rings, eh? A little bit long for rings. There you go. Aye, that's smashing me pigeon. What's up here? Eh? Lovely wee checker hen, eh? Yeah, lovely wee checker hen. Come on in. Yeah, she's a broad pigeon. Oh, look at her, she looks lovely. Her feather and her featherings. Her feathers. I know, darling. I know, darling. There she is. I know, darling. I know. Come on in. I know. Just having a bit of look at you. Yeah. 2 wee beauties. Come on. Come on. Ah, come on. On the go, we check her Wi-Fi. Hey, come on in. Come on in. That's about it doing here, eh? What are you on, eh? What are you on, eh? That's 2 eggs, eh? 2 eggs, there you go, eh? There you go. So as you can see, eh? I've just cleaned the loft, eh? So, floor's looking good. Drops are 100%. Absolute 100%. Right. Yeah. You're the cook, aren't you? You're the cook. Oh, let's see, eh? I know you're on 2 lovely wee crackers, aren't you? 2 wee beauties. I know. There we go. And you're on 2 eggs, aren't you? Aye. Eh? You're on 2 eggs, aren't you? Yes, I know. So, there you go. So I'm just about to do some shavings in here. You know. There we go. So there you go, guys. I'll catch you on the next video. Cheery.